Welcome to the southern seas, to the warm waters that lap the shores of the Kingdom of Cambodia. Here, beneath the surface, lies a world of astonishing beauty. A kaleidoscope of life as vibrant and diverse as any you'll find on land. From the vibrant coral reefs teeming with life to the mysterious underwater caves shrouded in shadow, Cambodia is home to some of the most breathtaking marine ecosystems in all of Southeast Asia. Join me, Fik DCK, as we embark on a journey to uncover these hidden gems, diving deep into the top 10 seabed locations that this enchanting country has to offer. Our adventure begins just off the coast of Sihanoukville in the waters surrounding Koh Rong Samloem. Here, beneath the crystal-clear turquoise waters, lies a labyrinth of coral reefs, a technicolor city pulsing with life. Drifting over these gardens of the sea, you'll encounter schools of fish, their scales flashing like living jewels. Parrotfish, their beaks scraping algae from the coral, momentarily cloud the water with a puff of green. Graceful stingrays, their wings edged with delicate blue, glide effortlessly across the seabed. And if you're lucky, you might catch a glimpse of a shy reef shark, its sleek form disappearing into the coral depths. Next, we journey to Koh Tang, an island where the underwater world takes on a more mysterious air. Plunge beneath the surface and you'll find yourself surrounded by towering rock formations, sculpted by millennia of ocean currents. These are the gateways to Koh Tang's hidden world, a network of underwater caves and tunnels just waiting to be explored. Within their cool, dark embrace, you'll find delicate corals and sponges clinging to the walls, illuminated by the beams of your torch. The silence is broken only by the gentle exhalations of your breathing, a reminder of the otherworldly beauty that surrounds you. Now we venture to Koh Kon, an island renowned for the sheer spectacle of its marine life. Here the waters practically shimmer with an abundance of fish, their scales a dazzling array of colors. Schools of vibrant clownfish dart in and out of the swaying anemones, their orange and white stripes a stark contrast to the electric pink of their hosts. Above them, angelfish, their fins painted with intricate patterns, seem to float effortlessly in the current. It's a scene of breathtaking beauty, a testament to the diversity and wonder of Cambodia's marine ecosystems. Chapter 4, Koh Stak, Gardens of Glass. Prepare to be captivated by the crystalline waters of Koh Stak, an island paradise where visibility seems to stretch on forever. Here the seabed is carpeted in a tapestry of coral gardens, their delicate structures branching upwards towards the sunlight. Brain coral, resembling its namesake, forms massive mounds, while staghorn coral branches out like the antlers of a deer. Look closely and you'll see tiny polyps extending their delicate tentacles, capturing microscopic food from the passing current. Chapter 5. Koh Tme, Serenity Beneath the Waves. A sense of tranquility washes over you as you descend into the waters off Koh Tme. Here, the pace of life slows, and the underwater landscapes take on a serene, almost ethereal beauty. Gentle slopes of sand, rippled by the current, give way to swaying fields of seagrass, home to seahorses and pipefish, masters of camouflage. Schools of silverfish shimmer like quicksilver as they dart through the water, their movements as fluid and mesmerizing as the current itself. Chapter 6. Koh Pring, an untouched paradise. Our journey takes us now to Koh Pring, an island where time seems to stand still. Here, the marine ecosystems remain largely untouched, a pristine wilderness beneath the waves. The coral reefs are healthy and vibrant, teeming with an abundance of life. You might encounter a hawksbill turtle, its beak tearing at a sponge, or a black-tip reef shark, its movements a study in predatory grace. In the shallows, mangroves, their roots submerged in the water, provide a vital nursery for a multitude of fish and invertebrates. Chapter 7, Swimming with Giants, Koh Rong. Koh Rong, the largest of Cambodia's islands, offers the chance to encounter some of the ocean's most magnificent creatures. Here you might find yourself swimming alongside a gentle giant, the whale shark. These filter-feeding behemoths, the largest fish in the sea, cruise through the waters, their massive mouths agape, filtering plankton from the water. Though intimidating in size, they are harmless to humans, and to swim alongside one is an experience that will stay with you forever. Kota Kiev beckons with the promise of hidden treasures. And beneath the surface, it doesn't disappoint. Here, amongst the coral and the rocks, you'll find an abundance of nudibranchs, those jewels of the sea. These small, shell-less mollusks come in an astonishing array of colors and patterns, from the electric blue and orange of the flamboyant nudibranch to the delicate lace-like appendages of the dendronotus. Each one is a work of art, a testament to the boundless creativity of nature. Peace and tranquility await you in the waters surrounding Kosei. Here, the seabed is a tapestry of soft corals, their delicate forms swaying gently in the current. Feather stars, their arms outstretched like the plumes of a dancer, cling to the rocks, while sea cucumbers, their bodies resembling bumpy sausages, inch their way across the sand. It's a world of subtle beauty, a place to lose yourself in the quiet rhythms of the sea. Our journey culminates at Koh Russi, an island where the reefs explode with life. Here, you'll find an abundance of hard corals, their structures forming intricate mazes that shelter a multitude of fish. Damselfish, their scales flashing iridescent blue, fiercely guard their territories, while butterfly fish, their bodies flattened like discs, flit amongst the coral branches. It's a celebration of life, a vibrant and thriving ecosystem that reminds us of the importance of protecting these underwater treasures. As our journey through Cambodia's underwater realm comes to an end, we're left with a sense of awe and wonder at the sheer beauty and diversity of these marine ecosystems. From the vibrant coral reefs to the mysterious underwater caves, Cambodia's seabeds are a treasure trove of life, a testament to the power and fragility of the natural world. I hope this journey has inspired you to learn more about these hidden gems and to join me, FEECK, in protecting them for generations to come. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing explorations. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering and keep the spirit of adventure alive.